If you want to send money from GCash to Maya in 2025, you need to go ahead and open the GCash application on your mobile device first. Once done, you need to go ahead, log into your account, and then tap on Send Money or Transfer option, which is located in the home screen. Then after, tap on Local, and then select the logo of your bank or tap on View All. Now find and select the option of Maya. Go ahead and tap on that. Select Maya Bank. Enter the recipient's Maya mobile number or their account name, the amount you want to transfer, their account number, and then tap on Send Money option, which is highlighted in blue color. Then tap on Confirm, which is also highlighted in blue color in the bottom. And once you've confirmed the transaction, a transfer fee may be charged. Ensure that both of your GCash and the recipient's Maya accounts are verified. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.